Inventory Control Specialist. An inventory control specialist is a professional responsible for managing and tracking inventory levels in warehouses, retail stores, or any other type of business that requires inventory management. They ensure that inventory is being used efficiently, conduct analysis to predict inventory needs, and make recommendations to improve inventory processes. Career values, traits, and skills. The following career values, traits, and skills are important for success as an inventory control specialist. Career values: working with numbers and data, analyzing and solving problems, organizing and managing inventory, attention to detail, working independently or as part of a team. Career traits: analytical, detail-oriented, organized, critical thinking, time management, tech-savvy. Career skills: proficiency in inventory management software, strong mathematical skills, data analysis and interpretation, excellent communication skills, understanding of logistics and supply chain management. Career path. A career path for an inventory control specialist typically starts with a high school diploma or equivalent. Many employers prefer candidates with an associate's or bachelor's degree in supply chain management, logistics, or a related field. Entry-level positions allow candidates to acquire on-the-job experience and gain competence in inventory control using inventory and logistics management software. With time, experience, and additional certification, an inventory control specialist may be promoted to a supervisor or manager position. Salary range. According to Glassdoor, the average annual salary for an inventory control specialist in the United States is $46,168. However, salaries for this role can range from $35,000 to $60,000 per year depending on location, industry, and experience. Tips for success. Consider the following tips for success as an inventory control specialist. Stay up to date with inventory management software and technology. Continuously improve data analysis and reporting skills. Develop effective communication and interpersonal skills. Learn the industry language and trends. Collaborate with other departments to optimize inventory processes. Remain detail-oriented and maintain a focus on accuracy. References. For more information about becoming an inventory control specialist, please refer to the following resources: Association for Supply Chain Management, APIC Supply Chain Council, Institute for Supply Management.